Hi everyone, welcome to the Arena Sports Partnership YouTube channel. This is week 4 of the Key Stage 1 Ball Skills Challenges. So for our warm-up, what we're going to do is we're going to do the 20-10-10 challenge. The 20-10-10 challenge works like this. You're going to do 20 seconds running on the spot, and after 20 seconds of running on the spot, you're going to do 10 seconds of jumping jacks. So you're jumping jacks for 10 seconds, and then for 10 seconds, you do touch toes and jump as high as you can. You repeat that 3 times. Okay, and once you've repeated it 3 times, you're done with your warm-up. Today we're going to look at some football, and we're going to look about how we move the football and how we stop it. Okay, we're going to need to have a football for this, a little bit of space, and about 10 cones is what you need. Now if you can make your space bigger than what I have, but we're just going to use the space I've got here and then some space where we're going to be moving the ball a bit further next time. Now to start with, what I want you to practice doing is I want us to think about how we can actually get used to the ball being alongside our foot, or with our foot being on top of the ball. The start thing is I want you to try and use the ball of your foot, okay, which is a bit towards your toes, and I want you just to hold the ball on one foot and balance on the other one. Then once you practice that, I want you to move to the other side and hold it and move. Once you can do that, I want you to try and speed it up and try and tap the ball with your toe each time, try and stay balanced as you go. And that's game 1. The next thing we're going to look to do for game 2 is we're going to look to try and move the ball a little bit, and then we're going to try and to stop it. So we're looking to start and stop the ball. Okay, to start the ball, you can either use the top of your foot to roll the ball away from you, and then put your foot on the ball. Okay, you're then going to turn around. You can then, if you want to, use your laces of your foot to push the ball away and stop the ball. Okay, turn around. You can try and use different feet each time. So this time I use my left foot to stop the ball. And you can even then use the inside of your foot to push the ball away, and use both feet to push and hold the ball. And that's how we start and stop a ball. The next game, I've set up this, which is a little bit of a tunnel using 6 cones. Now my tunnel this time though, starts quite wide and goes quite thin to try and make it so it's a little bit tougher for us and where we're pushing the ball. Okay, to start with, we're going to start at the small end, furthest away from you. Your job, start with your foot on the ball, push it away from you, try and get through each one of the goals and stop the ball in line with my red cones down there. So I'm going to look to push the ball away from me, and as I get there, stop the ball in line with the cones. I can then, if I want to, pick the ball up and move it back and start again and go again. So you can push the ball away from us. When we get there, we stop and pick the ball up. If you want to make it harder, start at the larger end and move away from you towards the smaller end. Okay, this means you'll have to be a little bit more careful where you push the ball, stop, and then move back down and stop. And that's your football challenge. I hope you've had fun, and we'll stay tuned for next week. We'll be in week 5. Take care. Bye.